Good morning, everybody. Okay, so this is a double stub. So the 50 ohm transmission line is given. Okay, so what is the main thing? Means first they have given the ZL. ZL means what? It is a load impedance. So ZL is equal to 60 plus 80 J they have given. And you know that R0, the first one, 50 ohm. R0 is equal to 50 ohm. So automatically you have to find the small ZL. Normalized load impedance is equal to capital ZL by Z0. This is not R0, it's actually Z0. Okay, so Z0 which is equal to 60 plus 80J divided by 50. So we will be get after calculation we'll get 1.2 plus J 1.6. So automatically normalized load admittance. So ZL means small ZL. Opposite of ZL is YL. That is equal to 1 by ZL. So it is equal to 1 divided by 1.2 plus J 1.6. It will be equal to 0.3 minus J 0.4. Automatically it will be like this only. Okay, so no need to just consider this step. Let me draw the Smith chart and then you can consider. Now find lambda equal to C by F. It's equal to 3 into 10 power 8 because C is the right value. So 3 into 10 power 8 divided by frequency 300 megahertz. So 300 into mega means 10 power 6. So 3 into 10 power 8. You understand? So it's equal to 1 meter. Okay. Now take the Smith chart. So Smith chart is very simple. What you do means, do you know 1.2 plus 1.6? Is that right? So now here you have to get 1.2. So this one 1.2. So here you have to get that. This is plus. Is that right? Plus means you have to go upside. So go upside means what? Here this is 1.6, right? So you have to come like this, like this, like this, like this. So this is 1.2 go like this, like this, like this. So automatically this 1.6 coming here, is it right? Yes. Where both are meeting, you have to make a point. After make a point, take a origin. Center is 1.0. From the center 1.0 to the main 1.6, you have to draw the circle. Make a pencil very sharp. Okay. So you have to draw a circle. Okay, draw a complete circle. The circle should be somewhat neat, but don't press the pencil. Please draw simply. Okay, that is very good. Okay, draw the circle. No problem. Very good. Then after drawing, what you do after completion? This is double step. Is it right? So in the double step, what you do means. So in the double step, what you do means. Mainly you have to draw the R equal to 1 circle. So that is called what? Y by G equal to 1. R equal to 1 circle you have to draw. Okay, R equal to 1 circle you have to draw. So you have to come here. Okay, R equal to 1 circle. You have to draw. So R equal to 1 circle means, listen me. You have to take a pencil. Now I'm just having the pencil. So from the 1.0. Okay, from the 1.0 you have to draw by your hand itself. Okay. Yes. Here you have to draw like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. If you draw over the trace means automatically you can start another portion from here, 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 here. So you get a one circle, is it right? Mark the point. This is called what? SW circle. Okay, this is called SW circle. Mark a point. SW circle, is it right? Because you get a 1.6, 1.2 plus 1.6. If you are marking whatever ZL, this is small ZL. If you are marking that ZL, if you are drawing a circle means that is called what? SW circle. Always SW circle have 2 points. Left side 1 point, right side intersection another point. Where it is intersecting on the center line. Center line note paniko at the intersection. Okay. So it is having the value of 0.29. Left side. This is having a value of nearly 4.8. But 0.29, 4.8. When you compare, you have to take the highest value. So automatically SWR is equal to 4.8. Okay. No issues. Next, what it do means. So listen me. So after this, because you are having the point, is it right? No. So you have to having the park, is it right? Now what you do means. So from here, so this one is available. Pass. Listen me students, after finding the circle, because in the question what they said that on 8th, 1/8 of a wavelength, 1/8 means you have to turn the circle. So this circle you are getting right. This circle you have to turn by 1/8. 1/8 means in Tamil they used to say kal pangu. 1/8 you have to turn. Is it right? So automatically this is one portion. This is 1/8. This is 1/2, half. This is a 3 by 4. 3 by 4 mukkal you should say. Then this is 1. So 1 by 8 means this one you have to rotate like this. So automatically rotate like this means what? 90 degree. So you know it, right? If you take this one, our circle is here. This is 90 degree, 1 by 8. Then this is 180 degree. This is 270. This is 360. 360 or 0 both are same as it. So you have to rotate. So automatically this circle is exact. So here it is rotate means you have to take the center point. Okay. Center point means you have to get the scale. So you just take a center point. So because this circle has to come here. I already drawn, but no problem. Take a scale at this center point. This center point. Okay. So once you get a center point, there will be a line. Is it right? So in this line, you'll be having center point. Okay. From the center point. So here. So from the center point, you can have a compass and you can draw the circle. This is called what? 1 by 8 of the circle. So what you do means, already you drawn one circle, right? The SW circle, right? So you made a mark a point of 1.2 plus 1.6. Is it right? 1.2, 1.6. That point is here. Is it right? So from that point, and take a scale to 1.0, draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. It will strike out at other point. Okay. You just consider this point. What does this point means? What you just consider? So this point is around wait. So you can go up to here. So if from here you have to go exactly means it comes to 0.3. Okay. So this point is 0.3 because it is above below the portion. Is it right? Below the portion means what? Minus. So minus. Now come here. Come like this. Come like this. Come like this means that it comes around 0.48. So minus 0.48 or around 0. You can have a 4 better 48 less. Okay. So 0.48. Okay. No problem. Now what you do means. So from here, from this point, exactly through the line, you have to reach the 1 by 8 circle. 1 by 8 circle. Okay. So you have to start moving. Wait. Yes. Moving. Now it is reaching, right? In the circle you are reaching. So make a point here. And that point you have to call in the form of a PA1. That point you have to call in the form of PA1. And no, don't leave, move. Still move. Okay. You have to make a move, and then you have to move like this. Somewhat parallel. Move like this, and you have to move in this way. Move in this way, and it will attack at other point. This point you make it as PA2. Okay, so this point you have to make it as yes, exactly PA2. Okay, so don't forget this one. Okay, so now what you do means, so you have to make a mark of this point. So what does this point means? And you have to make a point. Okay, reaching, I told you, right? From here you have to go, move, and then you can reach the point. That means what? This circle. So what it means, from this one you have to find the value. What is the value means? What? So this automatically you have to go to the main line. So this is 0.3, around 0.3, is it right? So this point is, so you can write PA1, is it right? So that is, you can write a PA1 is 0.3, and then afterwards you have to move like this. So 0.3, and then you have to go move here in this way. Move on this way means what? It may go up to 0.28 like that. Okay. So plus, because it is upside, is it right? Above portion is plus, below portion is minus. Okay, so plus 0.28 or 29 J is okay. So then PA2. PA2 means what? Look at this. This is PA2. PA2 means what? How it is get? Is it right? Because you have to move from this point. You have to go, and you have to reach this circle. 1 by 8 circle. This 1 by 8 circle, and first attack is 0 PA1, and you are moving like this. Move over the track like this, and you are coming to PA2. This next attack. So what is PA2? Because listen here, PA2 means what you have to find out. So you have to come. So how you have to come means what? First, because you have to come like his, and then once you come in, so automatically from the center it is coming. Is it right? Coming. So this is the intersection of this one and this one. Automatically PA2 means what? You will get the value as mainly means sorry, because it is coming from here. Is it right? So here means 0.3 only, definitely 0.3, and then here you have to go. So from here means it may go up to here means it may come around 1.7, because this is 1.7, 1.6, 1.8. So 1.78 like that. Okay, so we can write 1.75. So So this one is P8 is equal to 0.3 plus J 0.75. Do you know how we are getting? Because it is coming from 0.3 only. It's coming from 0.3 only. So that's why there also real part is 0.3, here also 0.3. Okay, now you understand, is it right? Next step, you have to find the PB1 and PB2. Now already you find out PA1 and PA2, right? Next step you have to find PB1, PB2. What doing? Simple. Take this compass. Okay, take this compass and extend this compass to PA1. Now what it do means, after extending, you have to strike a complete mark on this R equal to 1 circle. Okay, that is the main thing. So what I do means, after making PA1, so this is a PA1 set, so 1 minute, exactly this mark PA1, and now we strike on, R equal to 1 circle. Okay, now we strike on R equal to 1 circle. So this point is PB1. So I just mark this point. This point is PB1. Okay, for PB2, what you do means, from the exact main, you want to go up to PA2. You want to go up to PA2. Okay, so PA2, wait, and then afterwards you take this and then you just go up to R equal to 1 circle. So here it is getting marked, is it right? Getting marked. So automatically, so this point is PB2. Now you have to find out the values of PB1 and PB2. Okay, so what is the PB1? So automatically now set it, because it is lying on the R equal to 1 circle. So real value is 1. So I'll write here. So PB1 is equal to 1. Real is 1. Anyhow, it is above the first half, right? So it is automatically plus 1 plus. What's this point? This is PB1, right? PB1 means what? Look at here. It is going like this. So automatically you will get PB1 is here, is it right? So PB1 means it is comes around 1.2, is it right? So automatically just write 1.2. So here make it 1.2J. 1.2J. Then PB2 is equal to what? Automatically the point is here, PB2. It is on the R equal to 1 circle. So automatically you get a 1. Real value is 1. Then it is minus, and then you look at this one. So where it is going? So it is going nearly, because it is coming here. So this is 3, this is 4. So I think it is coming here, means around 3.4. Okay, so minus 3.4J. Now do you understand clearly? Next lesson here, next step what it means, you have to go for finding the YSA of 1. That's equal to YA1. That means what? YA1 or PA1. Don't worry, both are same. PA1 minus YL. YL, is it right? YL already we found out, is it right? I think YL, we have just found out here. We are drawn a straight line, is it right? After making a point. Do you remember ZL? ZL at this point, is it right? ZL, you know, is it right? ZL, the point is 1.2 plus 1.6J. So from that you are coming backside and you are marking a point, is it right? And that point is 0.3 minus 0.4J. Do you remember, is it right? That value, because already is taken out, is it right? We can draw, I told. That is after drawing, we found out that 0.3 minus J 0.4 likewise, is it right? So that one you have to make a minus. So that is equal to, what is PA1 here? So PA1 is 0.3. So 0.3 plus 0.29J, okay, minus of 0.3 minus 0.4J. Okay, so automatically get a 0.3, 0.3 will get a cancel. So 0.29 minus of minus is plus. So 0.29 plus 0.4, both are J, is it right? Just write J here. Automatically 0.69J. Okay, then same thing, YSA2. That's equal to PA2 minus YL. What is PA2 here? PA2 is 0.3 plus J 0.75, right? So 0.3 plus J, actually this is not a 0.75, this should be 1.75, because we already know 1.75, but I just already, sorry, this is 1.75, I made a 0.75. So J 1.75 minus this one, minus 0.3 minus of this one. Okay, so you understand, is it right? Minus of 0.3 minus 0.4J, the same thing you have to make a minus. So 0.3, 0.3 get cancel. So automatically J 1.75 minus into minus plus 0.4J automatically is equal to, you know that, is it right? J 2.15, that is the answer. So here 0.69 is the answer. Okay, Now next what it do means, you know that 0.69 available, is it right? So 0.69 you have to mark in the Smith chart. You have to mark in the inner boundary. Listen me. 0.69 means what is 0.6, is it right? So 0.6 means this is 0.69. Okay, mark this one. And then 2.15, right? So 2, because this is plus j point. So minus means you have to look at the down. Plus means you look at the upside, is it right? 2.15 means here this is a 2. And then afterwards the 2 means 4 division in between, right? So 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, 2.8, 3. So where the number is sitting on the line, that line belongs to the number. Okay, do you understand? So if I ask 3.0 belongs to this line or this line, means you have to say this line, because 3.0 is sitting on that line. Okay, so you have to say 2.16j, is it right? So 2.15j. So this one 2.2 means it's around 2.16 approximately. Okay, so now what it do means, you have to take a scale. Okay, you have to take a scale and you have to draw the line. Okay, because I'm having one phone, draw the line. So this is 0.69. You understand? 0.69 and this center. So you have to draw a line. Okay, so let me once again, because let me draw the line and I'll come back. Yes, I am back. Have you seen? I have drawn the line. So this is 0.69, is it right? So I have drawn the line, and the outer boundary where it is attacking at 0.9, 0.10, 0. Then this is around 0.096 approximately. Okay, so that you have to write. Okay, that how you have to write means, so LA1 is equal to, in the outer side it is going up, I told you, right? So this one is 0.69 and this is 0.096. This is a in between gap, and then a somewhat slightly going. So you have to write 0.096 plus 0.5. Why you have to do 0.5 means half. So this is one full circle, 1. Half means what? Half means 1 by 2. Quarter means it is a 1 by 4. Is it right? 1 by 8 means you have to make 1 by. So this no need to confuse. Listen me. This circle, it is getting turned 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 rotation. So we have made a 1 by 4 rotation, right? 1 by 4 means what? 0.25. You know, kalpang, is it right? In Tamil you say 0.25. So that is why you are adding everything with the 0.25. So 0.25, then lambda. Answer is 0.346 lambda. Okay, that is equal to 0.346 meter. Because why lambda means, you know, lambda value already we found out the value was 1. Is it right? Lambda is 1. Already we found out it is a 1 meter. So next one, LA2. Listen me students, already we can switch on the 2.15, right? 2.15 I have marked here. Have you seen 2.15? Then I just extended the line from center to the line. So 2.15 means it goes up to here. So automatically it comes around to 0.181. Is it right? So automatically 0.181 plus 0.25 you have to add. Already because I told, because it has been moved 0.25. That is why. Okay, this is equal to 0.431 lambda. That is equal to 0.431 meter. And next one you have to see, next thing you have to go here and you have to find the stub length. Okay, listen me, you have to find the stub length. For stub length, what you do, you have to go for YSB1. SB means stub. Okay, SB1 is equal to, so this PB1 you found out, is it right? So this value you have to make a opposite sign. Plus means minus 1.2j. That's all. YSB2, that's equal to this value you take the opposite sign. Minus means plus 3.4j. That's all. That you have to find. Okay, next. So after that, next you have to find the B1, B2. So what is the B1 means? Listen me. So this is A1, is it right? I told that this is a point A1, is it right? So when you extend the back, okay, that means what? Listen me. If I have the scale and this A1, if I extend the back means, if I draw a line means, listen me. So this line, just simply drawing roughly. This line may go up to here, and it may goes up to this point. Okay, because A1 is outer boundary, so I just mark a point here. Okay, because you have to draw a line. Now I'm just simply marking a point. Okay, so this point. Okay, how this point comes, you have to draw a straight line. Then you will get at this point. So automatically A1 we got a outer boundary mark 0.0, is it right? So B1 should be outer boundary, so it is around 0.348. Okay, so B1 is equal to 0.348 that you have to do. And then that 0.3, because it is a downside, right, you have to minus by 0.25. then you will get 0.348 minus 0.2 means 0. So around if you take 0.35 means 0.1, so it may comes simple. So 0.35 minus 0.2 means 0.12 becomes, yes, 0.12 around it comes, okay, approximately. So it is get as a lambda. Okay, so it is equal to 0.12 meter. So I just make a simple thing. So then you take a B2. So B2 is somewhat different. I tell you how you get a B2 means. So this is A2, is it right? A2, you know, is it right? A2, listen me. So A1 means, you know that it is a, so the first one you got a 0.096. This is A1 and this is 0.181, is it right? Previously you see, you know that 0.69 only we have marked here, is it right? From the 0.69 only we got 0.096, and here we have marked 2.15. Do you remember 2.15? From 2.15 only we got 0.181. So here this 2.15 you have to move 0.1. So automatically 2.1 means what, you get a 3.1. So that not 0.1, 3.1. So you get a 3.1 here. So 3.1 means you go to outer boundary. So outer boundary means what, it may goes up to here. And you get 0.20, 0.21 is in between gap 0.205. So automatically that B2 will be 0.205. Since it is upper side, is it right? So I have to add the 0.25. That is equal to 0.405 lambda. So lambda is 1 meter, right? So 0.405 meter. Okay, that's all. Thank you, students.